In this video, I would like to briefly address the importance of categories and attributes. It is important to think about the structure of your categories and attributes before filling your map with places. Categories are used as a primary navigation element. They should be descriptive, self-explanatory, and designed in such a way that a place can't belong to more than one. This will allow for the best user experience. Keeping the number of categories to a minimum is not a necessity, but it will have a positive effect on your map. Having less than 8 categories is ideal. There are some creative ways of utilizing categories. Maps like Damarushki use their categories to create a traffic light system, clearly indicating the status of their users' initiatives. Attributes are used to display detailed information about a place in a structured manner. There are multiple types of attributes. 2 of these, select and multiple select, will allow you to create filters on your map. When creating your attributes, it's important to note that the name of that attribute will not show up on the map, but instead will be represented by the chosen icon. If a certain attribute isn't relevant to places in one or more categories, you can easily deselect them in the settings. Combining these features will allow for the best user experience on your map. If you have additional questions, make sure to check out our help portal or contact us directly.